Hey guys, what's going on? Here I am in the woods again with my Ooni tree. Hoping to make some pizza before it gets dark. Let's fire up this bad boy. So as usual I'm running pellets because the gas option is not certified in Finland yet. Looking forward to that though. Okay, let's fill the hopper with pellets. Let me give it some fire. Alright, I think it's burning. Yeah, it's definitely getting there. Let's give it some time now. Okay, while the Ooni is firing up, I will show you around my pizza corner. Right, so here I got the pizza peel, some ingredients, olive oil, the tomato sauce. I will put a link below on the tomato sauce, how to make it. I got some flour. Today also I have some basil, mozzarella, salami and chorizo. Then I got a few more peels here, pizza cutter. Here I got some Parmesan cheese. And last time I did this it was around -10 degrees Celsius and I had some challenges with my dough balls. Today it's about -5 degrees, but it's still cold, so I'm prepared. I got my dough balls in this cooler bag. With warm water in it, so it keeps the dough nice and warm. Thanks for the tips, Apu and rest of the Ooni community. Okay, let's take a look what is the temperature inside Ooni. We are still running a bit low, so let's give it another 5 minutes or so. Alright, it's 480 in the middle, so we're definitely ready to roll. Looks totally acceptable. So we go in with the flour. Good. Okay, we need some more pellets. And then we start forming the pizza. Now we put on some tomato sauce. The mozzarella. A bit of Parmigiano cheese. Some fresh basil. And drizzle of olive oil. And in we go with the first pizza. I can see the dough was still a little bit cold, not as bad as last time, but I'm sure this will turn out good. Alright, there we go. I think it looks good for wintertime pizza. Let's have a taste. It actually looks pretty good. Nice and crispy crust. Okay, I'm going in. Yeah, it's definitely a really good pizza. The dough is not the same as it was in the room temperature, but it's still really good. And Ooni 3 is performing really well even though it's -degrees outside. Okay, let's make another one. Now I try to be quick, not to expose the dough to the coldness so much. Yeah, it's still stiff. It's definitely not the same as in summertime. You can see it's getting these dry spots and cracking here and there. Now let's make a pesto pizza. And there we go. Alright, pesto pizza looks good. Okay, let's try this out. Again, it looks good. It smells amazing. This pesto actually works really well with pizza. Anyway guys, it's always fun to cook outside, even it's -degrees. I will still have a couple of pizzas to go, but I will stop recording now. If you like this video and want to see me more cooking outside, please give me a thumbs up. It's fun doing these videos for you guys. Always fun cooking with Ooni. Anyway, this is it for now. Enjoy outdoors, enjoy pizza. Till next time.